Hey guys, check it out. We're back at Ernie's 80s Bike Shop. And today we're taking a look at this 1985 Haro Master. Check it out, guys. It's been fully restored, powder coated here at Ernie's. And starting from the top, we got the Odyssey livers, the Mushroom Modi grips, got the Haro bars with the Haro Group 1 stem, the ACS rotor, and we got the Odyssey brakes, the little Vans brake pads, the original Haro standards, and some Skyway Tough wheels with the Panel Racer tires. Check out the color, guys. Got the Red Line flight cranks with the Hutch pedals, and that's a cool Haro sprocket. Tough wheels in the back, Odyssey brakes. Got the Dominator seat and Peregrine seat clamp. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Only at Ernie's 80s Bike Shop.